Oh, Lisa, there's a little present for you lying in the driveway.
Oh, boy, really?
This station is participating in a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. This broadcast station is testing equipment to see if it can broadcast the public successfully during emergencies. This concludes this test message.
Oh, I wasted $5 on these.
Where'd you get $5? I want $5.
I sold my soul to Millhouse.
What? How could you do that? Your soul is the most valuable part of you.
You believe in that junk?
Well, what